This is Ringwood Public Library with a brief lesson on how to use an iPad like a scanner. First, you will need to locate the Notes app and tap that to open. The Notes app looks like a yellow and white pad of paper. Tap that to open it. Once inside, look for the square with the pencil in the upper right-hand corner and tap that to open a new note. Once that's opened, you can enter any text, such as a title that you would like to include. Then look for the camera icon in the upper right-hand corner of the typewriter and tap that. Click Scan Documents. This will open your iPad's camera. Focus the camera on any document or picture that you would like to include in your document and take a picture. Then you can crop your picture, adjusting what you capture using the bubbles in the four corners. You can increase or decrease what you capture. Then tap Keep Scan at the bottom right-hand corner. The camera will come back on. You can take more pictures of more documents, more pages for your document. Each time, press Keep Scan. Each picture can be rotated in the upper right-hand corner so that each page faces the direction that you want it to. Click Save in the bottom of the camera, and you will see all of your pages together in one document. If you do not like the title that it gives you inside the picture, tap the picture, tap the title, and you can change the text of the title. Tap Save, tap Done. At this point, you can add more text to the note if you'd like, or it is ready to share or upload using the button in the right-hand corner with the square and the arrow. Tap that, and you have options to mail the document, save it to a Google Drive, or share using AirDrop.